Wanting the feel of a newly built home without the wait? This 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home feels brand new, minus the wait. Pulling up, a 3-car garage and stone and vinyl siding make the perfect impression. Upon entering the home, you'll notice how the cathedral ceilings and open floor plan fill the space with light. This home is ready to host with a great room anchored by a cozy fireplace, the perfect setting for game night or gathering family and friends for the holidays. A beautiful kitchen with quartz countertops, a large island, and plenty of storage space, including a walk-in pantry, means you'll never be far from the action. A spacious primary suite offers the perfect place to unwind after a long day, with a private bath and a generous walk-in closet. 3 additional bedrooms upstairs create their perfect space for privacy. Sitting on almost a quarter-acre lot, close to shopping and schools, this one checks every box. Call Jim Owen today. This one won't last long.